Hello, guten Tag. Today we are doing lesson number 5 for grammar, plural of nouns. So we have already covered that we have 3 cases here, masculine, feminine and neuter. For masculine we use der, for feminine we use die and for neuter das as definite articles. As for indefinite articles we use for masculine ein, for feminine eine, for neuter ein. So we can take few examples like der Mann, ein Mann, die Frau, eine Frau, das Auto, ein Auto. Now we have to do plural of these nouns, and one important thing to note here is that plural nouns will always have die as an article, and we have 8 different types of ending for these nouns. The first is ending with e. So examples are given: der Tag, die Tage. Second one is er, das Bild, die Bilder. So you can see that the er is added to das Bild and e is added to die Tag. The third is en, so die Frau, die Frauen. En is added at the end of Frau. Then the fourth is there is no ending. The noun will remain the same. Der Wagen, die Wagen. The fifth type is the addition of s. Der Park, die Parks. The sixth type is umlaut with e. Die Hand, die Hände. The seventh is umlaut plus er. Der Wald, die Wälder. Wald is forest. And the last one is only umlaut. Die Mutter, die Mutter. So these are the 8 types. We will go according to the cases like plural ending for masculine nouns. Most masculine nouns take e or umlaut and e in their plural forms. So I have made a table for you guys. There are the armor. That means that e is added in the end of their arm. Der Schuh, die Schuhe. Umlaut and e will go like this: der Ball, die Bälle, der Fuß, die Füße. And when there is no ending, it's like their uncle, die Onkel, der Spiegel, die Spiegel. And ending with only umlaut will be like der Apfel, die Apfel, der Vater, die Vater. And ending with en, der Junge, die Jungen, der Elefant, die Elefanten. And ending with er with umlaut, der Mann, die Männer, der Wald, die Wälder, der Mann, die Männer. And plural endings for feminine nouns. This applies to all the nouns ending in e, ei, het, ion, ket, schaft, tat, tat, ung or ur. So we have 4 types of common plural ending here. So first is en. Example is die Blume, die Blumen, die Bäckerei, die Bäckereien. Then the other is en umlaut, die Frucht, die Früchte, die Hand, die Hände. The other is the ending with en, like die Freundin, die Freundinnen. And the other one is only umlaut, die Mutter, die Mutter, die Tochter, die Tochter. And now the plural endings for neuter nouns. Again, we have 4 common types of ending here, like e, das Bein, die Beine, leg, das Jahr, ear, die Jahre. Second is er, das Kind, die Kinder, das Kleid, dress, die Kleider. Then umlaut plus er, das Gehalt, the content, die Gehälter, das Glas, die Gläser, and en, the ending with en, das Bett, die Betten, das Interesse, die Interessen. There is no change for most neuter nouns ending in ELER, CHEN, LEIN. Examples are das Mädchen, the Mädchen. Only the article will change. And plural endings with S. This type of ending is mainly used for words imported from foreign languages. For example, das Hotel, the hotels, their computer, the computers. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Learn German with Ease.